Is there a way to force unlink my EA account from my Xbox?
Hello and welcome. Today we're tackling an issue many gamers come across: how to unlink your EA account from your Xbox. Whether it's because you're selling your console or simply switching accounts, unlinking can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why would I need to unlink my EA account?
There could be a number of reasons why you might want to unlink your EA account from your Xbox. Perhaps you want to use a different EA account with your Xbox, or maybe you're planning to give your Xbox to someone else and you don't want them having access to your EA games. Regardless of the reason, it's important to know that the process isn't as straightforward as you might think.
Can I unlink the EA account by myself?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can't unlink an EA account from your Xbox by yourself. EA has made this a protective measure to help safeguard your account. However, this doesn't mean it's impossible to unlink your account. It just means you'll need a little help from EA's customer support team.
How do I contact EA's customer support?
To unlink your EA account, you'll need to get in touch with EA's customer support. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to EA's website and navigate to the Help section. 2. Click on Contact Us. 3. Choose Origin as your platform, even if you're using Xbox. This is because EA uses Origin for account management. 4. Select Manage My Account and then Can't Log In. This will prompt EA to offer a callback or chat support. 5. Request a callback or start a chat session. Explain your issue clearly and request them to unlink your EA account from your Xbox. Please note, ensure you have relevant information ready before starting the conversation, such as your EA account details and Xbox account information.
What happens next?
Once you've requested the unlinking, EA's support team will process your request. Remember, only EA's support team can unlink your account, so be patient and wait for their response. Once they have unlinked your account, you'll be able to link a new EA account to your Xbox. While it might be a bit inconvenient to have to reach out to EA's customer support to unlink your account, it's a necessary process to ensure the security of your account. We hope this guide has been helpful and made the process a bit more clear. Happy gaming!